Update coming in at the moment. We're learning that Home Minister Amit Shah has written a letter to Lok Sabha Speaker. So that's the latest. Home Minister writing to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla requesting that the issue of the NEET exam be taken up for discussion in the House. He says the government is ready for a detailed discussion on the issue and has also prepared to answer all questions raised by the opposition. And that's the letter that we've accessed of Home Minister Amit Shah. The letter in its entirety here on CNN News 18. You see the letter dated today and you see Home Minister Amit Shah's signatures here as well. So this is the letter that's been written by Home Minister Amit Shah to the Lok Sabha Speaker and essentially sending out the message that a debate or a discussion on the NEET paper leak issue be allowed in the Parliament. Remember, this comes right after Home Minister Amit Shah sent out that message to the opposition where, remember, he'd given a 2 p.m. deadline. He asked the opposition to reach out to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Let Parliament function was his message. Rahul Gandhi was also quick to respond, and do remember Rahul Gandhi made it amply clear and he used the word lecture. He said, need no lecture from the Home Minister. There are two issues that the opposition wants the government to discuss. One is the Chanda Chori issue, the other is the pellet gun use, and the government right now through this letter that's been written by Home Minister Amit Shah, writing to the Lok Sabha Speaker, making it very clear that it is open to discussion on the NEET paper leak issue. Payal Mehta joins us with more details. Payal, you shared this letter with us. It has the Home Minister's signatures. One is to believe that this was sent just a few minutes ago. What does this tell us? Take us through the key takeaways.
Right. The Home Minister, in fact, this is short while ago, has written to the Lok Sabha Speaker because the Lok Sabha Speaker has constantly been making appeals to the opposition party that they should allow the House to function smoothly and that the government is willing to speak on every issue. Therefore, the Home Minister writes to the Lok Sabha Speaker saying that the issue of the NEET exam should be taken up for discussion in the House. He has also said that the government is ready for a detailed discussion on the issue and has prepared the answer to all the questions that the opposition parties have so far been raising, outside the Parliament as well. He urges that the matter be discussed in a constructive manner, as a debate and a dialogue and not merely as a statement. Remember, the government is constantly being clear that the Home Minister is not going to make a statement. He's going to listen to all the questions, listen to all the discussion that is going to take place on the floor of the House and then reply to it. Of course, he's saying that this is not a government which is closed as far as their conversation is concerned. They've constantly been writing to the opposition parties, including the fact when they got that stringent bill which was passed in this very session, saying that any suggestions made by the opposition parties, any suggestions made by any member of Parliament is completely going to be welcome. So they are opening in this discussion. They're hoping that this discussion takes place in a fair and open manner. Open discussion takes place. Whatever queries are there, the opposition parties can prove it, and after that, the government will be willing to reply. So after speaking just outside Parliament, earlier today, the Home Minister, of course, writing this letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker, saying that he is willing to reply. His government is not running away from any questions, and it's not going to be a one-way communication. It will be a two-way communication that the Home Minister will reply to all the queries that the opposition parties have.
So let the discussion take place in a constructive manner. Debate and dialogue is the basics of democracy. That's what's been written in this letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker. Any communication that's coming from the opposition, Payal? Do we have any word on that? Because essentially the message that the Home Minister gave while he interacted with media personnel in the Parliament complex is that the opposition must in fact convey the same to the Lok Sabha Speaker, following which this discussion can start 3 p.m. onwards.
Yes, the Home Minister made an offer saying that, let's start the discussion at 3 o'clock. You can go on till late in the evening as well. But so far, we do not really know if the opposition parties have even agreed to it, because on the floor of the House and outside also, they've been saying that if you want to discuss, then you have to give us a guarantee that even the Ram Mandir issue will be discussed. But the government has been saying to the screen that one issue at a time. Firstly, for the entire part of the session, he wanted the discussion to take place on NEET examination. He wanted to take a discussion on the protests that happened in the national capital. He constantly demanded a response from the government. Let's take them up, and one after the other we can take up multiple issues. But so far we haven't heard clearly from the opposition whether they really want to discuss this issue or not. But the government is trying to expose the opposition party, saying that they demand discussion, then they run away from it. It's a suit policy that we see of the opposition party.
So expect amplified reactions from the government if the opposition doesn't accept the offer, if the opposition doesn't let the Parliament function, because this was an open offer made by the Home Minister. He'd given that reaction to media personnel in the Parliament complex and said this will clearly expose what the opposition truly wants. If the opposition is hell-bent on answers as far as the NEET examination issue is concerned, that the Home Minister is ready to take that issue to the Parliament and answer all those questions. But the opposition clearly, he says, in no mood to let the Parliament function. They want to resort to disruption, and that is going to lead to just the government now, in fact, blunting its attack at the opposition. Payal, give us a sense of how we can see this playing out 3 p.m. onwards, because 3 p.m. is when Lok Sabha reconvenes. We saw a little bit of drama unfold just a short while ago when the FCRA bill was sent to JPC and that motion was passed. We saw 3 leaders from the opposition camp, Samajwadi Party, DMK and the Congress, raise concerns around the absence of Home Minister Shah.
Yes, the opposition parties so far have been raising the issues as far as the Home Minister's absence is concerned. But whenever it came to detailed discussion, they did not want a discussion to really happen. So that is exactly what the position of the opposition is, what the government wants to really expose. The government says we made an open offer from day one, essentially saying that we need to, in fact, get that discussion going. That's a very important discussion that needs to take place. But, the onus will also have to be on the opposition parties to ensure that they allow the discussion to go through.
Pallavi, Arunma join us as well. Payal, stay on with us. Pallavi, this also gives the opposition a chance to say that we wanted a discussion on 2 issues, which is Chanda Chori and pellet gun use. And even though the Home Minister has written to the Lok Sabha Speaker and says he is ready to discuss all the aspects of the NEET exam controversy, no mention of Chanda Chori, and that perhaps is going to be put to use by the opposition in not allowing a discussion, is what everyone's anticipating now.
So, Christine, the first development is that you had the opposition leaders walk out of Rajya Sabha because they are saying that why is it that the Home Minister made this offer outside the Parliament? Why is he not making it inside the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha? So that's one big point which is being raised by the opposition parties, and this shows that how careless the government is and how it doesn't even bother about the various nitty-gritty as far as the process of Parliament is concerned. That's one. And second, you're absolutely right. The letter which has been put out by Payal very clearly mentions a NEET exam. They're talking about an umbrella of the education system. This is what Rahul Gandhi had also said, that we don't want to have big lectures or sermons about, education system. It has to be very, very specifically only on the pellet guns. And second, it also has to be on Chanda Chori. So when 3 p.m., when the House reconvenes, and that is when the deadline is also going to be ending, and look at the HM, I mean, he writes that letter just before the deadline he gave to opposition parties as well. And so far, the opposition has come out with multiple sound bites and in all of them rejecting this offer. So I don't see much moving forward as far as this issue is concerned. Opposition very clear. And now to this, they've added on to a larger grievance is that why did the HM make this offer to the media and not on the floor of the House?
Will this discussion now move to the Parliament, Arunma? That's the next big question. The Home Minister has written this letter to the Lok Sabha Speaker. He sent out that message when he spoke in the Parliament complex. Rahul Gandhi was the first of the opposition leaders to respond and said that we don't need any lectures. But will this conversation move to the Parliament at 3 p.m.?
Looks unlikely, because opposition leaders have been maintaining that, like you said, 2 issues are crucial. The Samajwadi Party is still insisting on Chanda Chori. And why has this letter now been written? It's also because the opposition time and again has put the onus on the government, saying it is the government which is responsible to make the House function. So the Home Minister is also negating that point by writing this letter, showing that the government is serious. Home Minister who has been, the target of opposition barbs relentlessly for the last fortnight, he himself taking the initiative, writing to the Speaker, saying that, the discussion must begin. So the government, and if this, session gets washed out completely without any consensus, then the government side is going to go out and show this letter, show Home Minister's soundbite, and what the Parliamentary Affairs Minister said on the floor of the House to argue that the government tried with all its might to get the opposition on board. Home Minister even agreed to the opposition suggestion that he comes to the House and makes a statement on the student protests and the use of force. But it was the opposition which did not want the discussion to happen, and they just used any excuse available to disrupt the House. So that's going to be the government's narrative after this letter from the Home Minister.
And it's an umbrella terminology that's been used by the Home Minister. He's also speaking of possible reforms that can be discussed, so on and so forth, which doesn't look like the opposition is going to be convinced with. Thank you, Pallavi, Arunma, for joining us with all those details.